Today we are taking a look at the Urevo treadmill. I think that's how you say it. Just picked this up on Amazon. I got my assistant here to help me. Connor, you say hi?
Hi.
Oh, let's see what we got here. Please don't be assembly required. Please don't be assembly required. Okay, looks like it's mostly in one piece. That's good news because I hate assembling stuff. We'll let you know. All right, it looks like it's all in one piece. There is a little Allen wrench, so I'll have to figure out what that does, but yeah, it looks like it's all together, so that is really good news. So first thing I noticed, it's got these wheels on it, which is great. Very portable. It's also really thin, which is pretty sweet. I couldn't quite put it under my couch. That's where I tried to store it. That didn't work out. But you could easily just lean it up against a wall or something like that. It should stay out of the way. Came with instructions. I really don't like instructions. So don't tell my wife. We're going to try to do it without instructions. Doesn't look too complicated, so we'll find out. Let's see. Got a little remote here. Okay, I might need the instructions. So I finally gave in and had to read these instructions because I could not figure out how to turn this thing on because this power button did nothing. So finally I traced the cord and was like, maybe it's not plugged in. I'm feeling around and guess what? There's a switch under there. Flip that on and lo and behold, it turns on. I feel like the instructions probably should tell you about that switch. Just saying. Okay, now my beautiful little assistant here is gonna give it a try. What do you think so far, Lily?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, well it gets approval from a 4-year-old. I'll give it a try here in just a minute. All right, Evan's picking up the pace a little bit. What do you think so far?
I think it's good. I've been trying to get faster, so this will probably help with that.
Okay, you're gonna pick up some speed. I like it.
Yeah, right now I'm going 2.6.
Okay, you probably shouldn't wear socks too. That's kind of a pointer, right?
Okay.
Okay. So, 3.8 looks to be the fastest this can go, which isn't great, but for just something to have downstairs while I'm working from home, not too bad. Oh, take it back. All right, now we're going. Okay, so 6 miles an hour is where this thing tops out. Not too bad for something this small. One thing I thought was pretty cool is this flips up. You've got your controls in here, but that way you can put your remote there, you can put your phone there if you want to watch some Netflix or whatever. But yeah, I think this is kind of a handy little feature. So my wife had noticed on the review it said it can go up to 7.6, but I could only get it to go up to 6. So one thing that's kind of weird, on the remote, if you're using the remote, it only goes up to 6, but if you use this panel, you can get it up to 7.6. Kind of weird, I don't really understand the purpose. Might be a safety thing to make sure your hands are on the bar or something, but anyways, something to note, you can go faster if you use this. Caleb, what do you think?
Good. Also slow.
Okay, it says to check for lubrication regularly. Comes with this little mini bottle of oil, and looks like right here there's this little flap. You just lift that to put some oil in. Okay, when I took it out of the box, I noticed there's a little Allen wrench. That goes right in the end here, and that's if you need to, it looks like, to adjust the height. So on both sides here, if you need to adjust the footings at all, that's what this Allen wrench is for. So this little switch here on the side, there's 2 of them on both of the bars. That is to lock the bar in place. So once that is up, all you do is flip it. That's going to keep this thing locked in place. Here we are down in my basement / mini workspace while I'm working from home. As you can see, I am walking in place, which was the whole reason I bought this thing. I found the perfect speed for me to be able to still type. See, my screen is about 2 miles an hour. I'm able to do everything just like normal while walking, and honestly, I kind of forget that it's here. So I've been using it for 2 days, and so far it's great. I highly recommend. It's a really good value for the price. Check it out. Connor, what do you think? Do you like it, Connor? Thanks for taking the time to check out our video. If you liked it, make sure you hit subscribe. Even if you didn't, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.